Hello everyone, happy morning. Welcome back to Logic Terrain. This is Lakshmi Narayana, your mathematics teacher. In this session, I am going to discuss a very important question which is from both the NCERT Exam Plus as well as from R.D. Sharma. This is from chapter Real Numbers. So let us have a look at the question. Here is the question. For any positive integer n, prove that n cube minus n divisible by 6. So here we need to prove n is any positive integer, then n cube minus n divisible by 6. So since n is positive integer, then starts from 1, right? So n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So let us substitute n is equals to 1 in this. 1 cube minus 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 upon 6, 0. So let us take n is equals to 2, 2 cube that is 8 and n2, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 divided by 6 again, which is divisible by 6. So if n is equals to 3, 3 cube 27, 27 minus 3 that is 24, 24 again divisible by 6 and so on. So it is clearly evident that this is divisible by 6 for any positive integer n. The same we can prove by using EDL, that is Euclid division lemma. In others we can also prove in another method, that is by using divisibility rules. But in this case I am going to discuss by using Euclid division lemma. The other method we'll discuss in the next session. Okay. So to prove for any positive integer n, n cube minus n is divisible by 6. So this is what we need to prove. So let's prove this. Proof. Let n be any positive integer. So let n be any positive integer. Since we need to prove n cube minus n, so let us take that form. N cube minus n is equals to, this we can rewrite. So we'll take n common here, n square minus 1. Again this we can rewrite n into n square minus 1 square. 1 we can write as 1 square, 1 into 1, 1. Then this looks like a square minus b square. By using identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, and this becomes n plus 1 into n minus 1. Let us take this is number 1, right? Now by using EDL, that is Euclid's division lemma, we know that a is equals to, for any positive integer a is equals to b cube plus r, where 0 is lesser than or equals to r is less than b. So here let b is equals to 6. Since we have to check whether this is divisible by 6 or not, so here b is the divisor. So let b is equals to 6, which is divisor, right? And a is equals to n. Since the positive integer we have taken, that is n, right? So on substituting these values in the EDL, this becomes n is equals to 6 cube plus r, 6 cube plus r, where 0 is lesser than or equals to r is less than 6. Here the possible values of r is equals to, here r is less than 6 and lesser than or equals to 0, then 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Therefore the all possible values of r are these. Now on substituting these r values in the above, now n is equals to 6 cube plus 0. So if r is 0, 6 cube plus 0, 6 cube, or if r is equals to 1, then 6 cube plus 1, then this becomes 6 cube plus 1, or if r equals to 2, and this becomes 6 cube plus r, 6 cube plus r, that is 6 cube plus 2, or if r equals to 3, this becomes 6 cube plus 3, if r is equals to 4, this becomes 6 cube plus 4, if r is equals to 5, this becomes 6 cube plus 5. For n, for any positive integer, this is of the form. Okay. Now we'll check whether each one of them are divisible by 6 or not. Okay. So if n is equals to 6q, if n equals to 6q, then so what we got from 1, the given form, this becomes n into n plus 1 into n minus 1, then n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 is equals to, just replace n by 6q, and this becomes 6q into 6q plus 1 into 6q minus 1. Here you can see this stuff, 6 into something, which means 6 into some integer, right? So 6 into something means which is a multiple of 6. So definitely this is divisible by 6. Therefore, which is divisible by 6. Let us take, this is number 2, right? If n is equals to 6q plus 1, if n equals to 6q plus 1, then this becomes n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 is equals to, because this is what we need to prove whether this is divisible by 6 or not. Since so on simplifying this, we got this form. Clear? Now again, now replace n by 6q plus 1, and this becomes n, that is 6q plus 1 into n plus 1, 6q plus 1 plus 1, that is 6q plus 2, and n, 6q plus 1 minus 1, this becomes 6q. So again, here you can clearly see that this entire thing is multiple of 6, 6 into this whole stuff. Therefore, which is divisible by 6 again. Let us take this is number 3. If n is equals to the next integer form, that is 6q plus 2. Now n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 is equals to, just replace n by 6q plus 2, and 6q plus 2 into 6q plus 2 plus 1, that is 6q plus 3, 6q plus 2 minus 1, this becomes 6q plus 1. Here from these two terms we can take 2 common, here we left with 3q plus 1. From these two terms we can take 3 common, here we left with 2q plus 1 into 6q plus 1. You can see 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 3q plus 1 into 2q plus 1 into 6q plus 1 again. So which is a multiple of 6. Again this is divisible by 6, which is divisible by 6. Let us take this number 4. Now we'll take 6q plus 3. If n is equals to 6q plus 3, then n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 becomes, so replace n by 6q plus 3, 6q plus 3 into 6 cube plus 3 plus 1, 6 cube plus 4 into 6 cube plus 3 minus 1, then 6 cube minus 2. So from this we can take 3 common, then here we left with 2 cube plus 1. From this we can take 2 common, here we left with 3 cube plus 2, and this is 6 cube minus 2, 6 cube plus 2. This becomes 6 cube plus 2. So which is equals to, when multiply 3 into 2, this is 6 into 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 2. So again this is a multiple of 6. So clearly which is also divisible by 6. So let us take this is number 5. Now we'll take 6 cube plus 4. If n is equals to 6 cube plus 4, then n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 is equals to, replace n by 6 cube plus 4, 6 cube plus 4 into 6 cube 4 plus 1, that is 5, 6 cube 4 minus 1, that is 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 3, and this becomes from these two terms we'll take 2 common, here we left with 3 cube plus 2, anyhow this is 6 cube plus 5, from these two terms 3 common, here we left with 2 cube plus 1, again this 2 into 3, this is 6 into 3 cube plus 2 into 6 cube plus 5 into 2 cube plus 1. So again you can clearly see 6 into something, so this is also product of 6, so which is a multiple of 6, so which is also divisible by 6. So therefore which is also divisible by 6. Let us take this as number 6. Now we'll take the last one, that is 6 cube plus 5. If n is equals to 6 cube plus 5, then n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 is equals to 6 cube plus 5 into 6 cube plus 5 plus 1, 6 into 6 cube plus 5 minus 1, this is plus 4. Here we can take 6 common, 6 cube plus 5 into 6 into, here cube plus 1, here 6 cube plus 4. Here also clearly you can see that this is also multiple of 6, so which is a factor of 6, therefore which is also divisible by 6. Let us take this as number 7. Now you can see we got equation 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In all these cases all these forms of positive integer are divisible by 6, right? Therefore from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, n cube minus n is divisible by 6, hence the proof. So for any positive integer n cube minus n is divisible by 6. Clear? So in this way we can solve for any positive integer n cube minus n divisible by 6 by using Euclid division lemma. Clear? This is it. Hope you understood well, and we'll meet again in the next session. Thank you, and please follow and please subscribe.